reason that I would encourage you to look at eXp Realty is the training. So as the broker in charge or the owner of your local real estate company, what training do you have in place right now for your agents? Do you have in-house training? Do you have a trainer who is on your payroll? Do you outsource training that you pay for your agents? Maybe you don't have any training. As you know, and I know, training is key to any industry, and it sharpens our tools and it sharpens our skills. I've been in the real estate industry for 10 years now, and trust me, I'm still learning things, as I'm sure you are, every single day. So what's the solution with eXp Realty? Well, at eXp, we have something called the online world. And the world is a place where agents can go, and there are over 80 hours of training every week provided in the world. Some of these trainings are state trainings. Some are trainings that are focused more on skill sets in the real estate industry. And the great thing about those is that they are taught by producing agents. It's not a trainer who's been out of the industry, not selling homes for 20 years. It's someone who is an icon agent, as we call them with eXp, and they're doing over 10 million a year in volume. So they're proving their worth in the production arena, and they're sharing that for free with agents in the world. So the world is a great place for collaboration. Again, it is cloud-based, so your agents can log into the world on their computer from home. If you choose to keep an office space, you can have the world up in a training room in your office, but it's always accessible on desktop and on mobile, actually, for agents. So that's the first solution. The second solution for training and education, among other things, is Workplace. And Workplace is something that eXp utilizes with your eXp email address. And it's basically like Facebook for business. So you have a login for Workplace, you have different groups that you can be a part of. You can send a chat like Messenger to anyone in the company. You could send a work chat message to Glenn Sanford, who started the company, and he will respond to you, by the way. So Workplace is a really great opportunity for agents to log in and see live stream videos from agents all around the country. They can collaborate in different groups with agents, and they can create great referral relationships. So those are just two key solutions to training. There are many more, but those are the two that I will share with you.